Today on Geek Advisor, I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs from your computer using a program called Geek Uninstaller. It's not affiliated with us, but it's a good piece of software that will allow you to uninstall one program at a time or multiple programs at a time if you get the Pro version. Links will be in the description. Some programs such as Norton Antivirus or McAfee Antivirus are really hard to get off the system sometimes. This piece of software will really help out with that. Let's go down to Firefox. You can use Firefox or Chrome or whatever browser you want to use. I'm going to use Firefox. I'm going to bring that up. Alright, I already have up Major Geeks. This is where I'm going to download the software that I'm talking about. So you just type in majorgeeks.com, which will take you to this page. You go over here to the left hand side and click on System Tools. Go down until you see Uninstallers. And then go down until you see Geek Uninstaller. Let's see, where is that? Right here. Let's click on that. They updated it not too long ago, so it was updated in December. I'm going to go ahead and click on the download from author's site. Now this is going to work with Windows 10 or 8 or 7. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save this. I'm going to go up here to the down arrow. And I'm going to click on this folder right here. This will open up the location of where it's located. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click on this. And I'm going to say extract all. And I'm going to extract it in the downloads folder. Once that's extracted, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the geek.exe. Windows 10 wants to know if we want to run this. Is it okay to run? I'm going to say yes. Once we get into the program, it shows us all the different programs that we can uninstall. We can go up here to View. We can pick Windows Store apps if we want to. It'll load those up, so we can get rid of those as well if we want. Now we're in the standard version, not the Pro version, so we can uninstall one thing at a time. If you get the Pro version, you can uninstall multiple things at the same time. So let's go ahead and pick on something here. Let's pick on Fitbit Coach. We'll right-click on that, so we can uninstall it. We can view the registry entry for this particular program. We can go to the installation folder of this program. We can open it up in the Windows Store because this is a Windows Store program, or we can Google for the program, which is really cool. So if we want, we can click on that. It'll take us out to Google so we can search for this program to see what it's all about, see if it's good or bad. If we go up to the top, we can click on File. We can export this information about this program if we'd like to. We can send it to a technician and have them tell us if the program is good or not, which is kind of neat. And click on Action, which is basically the same as right-clicking on the program. We can View, so we can click on Desktop Apps or Windows Store Apps, or we can change the language. It's got lots of languages inside the program. Or we can refresh. It'll go through and it'll refresh all the programs. Alright, let's go ahead and remove one of these Windows Store apps. Let's go down to Game Bar. We'll left click on that and then we'll right click on it and we'll say uninstall. It's going to go through and uninstall that. And looks like it's got some leftover keys and things for that particular thing. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get rid of all of this. I'm going to say finish. And it removed all traces of that program from the system. And that's what we want. You know, if you uninstall things with Windows, it doesn't always remove all the other things left over by the program. So you want to get rid of all those extra keys and things. It makes your system cleaner. Let's go back up to View. Let's go to Desktop Apps. And let's find an app we want to get rid of. Let's just say we want to get rid of CC Cleaner. We're going to right click on that. So I can uninstall it. I can force remove it. I can remove the entry if the entry is left over. I can go into the registry and look at the entry. I can check out the installation folder, or I can Google for that particular program. CC Cleaner is a good program, so that's not a problem. There again, if you want to do it, we can just uninstall. And that's basically how you use the program. Pretty easy program. Yeah, it's really good at uninstalling a bunch of programs. And just remember, if you want to batch uninstall programs, you need to get the pro version. But the free version will allow you to uninstall things one by one, which is fine. So I'm going to close this. Please check out my other videos down below. I have a video on how to free up hard drive space on your computer, and I have a playlist of Windows tips that'll really help you out. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.